Advantages and characteristics of various types of steel structure plants. Dear owners all over the world who are interested in animal husbandry and poultry breeding business, hello! Our company can not only provide you with a full set of intelligent, automated egg-laying chicken, broiler, egg duck, egg pigeon, brooder, and other types of breeding machinery and equipment. We can also design and build high-quality steel structure factory buildings, chicken houses, duck houses, and other livestock breeding plants according to your breeding quantity. No matter what country you are in, if you need to build all kinds of industrial plants, we can cooperate with you in the whole process from designing to purchasing raw materials, installation, and delivery. In short, from the supply of breeding equipment to the construction of the plant, we will install it for you and deliver it to you. Your only task is to specify your requirements. Welcome to call us for consultation. Definition of steel structure. Steel structure plant is a new type of building structure system that utilizes high-strength steel instead of concrete and timber components to form a frame structure plant made of steel. Steel structure plant has the advantages of lightweight, high strength, long service life, convenient and quick construction, etc. It is widely used in many fields, especially the automatic poultry farms of animal husbandry and breeding industry apply steel structure plant in large quantities. Second, the advantages of steel structure. Compared with the traditional concrete and wood structure, steel structure has many advantages. First of all, the structure is light and the construction is convenient and quick. Secondly, the high strength of steel can maintain safety and stability under heavy pressure and strong earthquake environment. In addition, the components of steel structure can be completely manufactured in the factory, which ensures the quality of construction and time efficiency. 3. Application fields of steel structure. Steel structure has a wide range of application fields, such as high-rise buildings, large shopping malls, petrochemicals, aviation, large venues, bridges, ships, and other fields. In construction, steel structure is mainly used in large span, large space, high-rise building, underground engineering, factory building, warehouse, and other building places, which makes the building structure more innovative, light, and beautiful. Fourth, the main scope of our steel structure plant construction. Our steel structure plant construction team is a construction enterprise specializing in steel structure plant design, manufacturing, and installation. The main business includes the following aspects. Firstly, the design and calculation of steel structure plant scheme, including scheme development, modeling, and structural evaluation. The second is the manufacturing of plant buildings, including the manufacturing of steel structure components and focusing on process control, quality control, and schedule control. Third is professional plant installation service, including on-site measurement, engineering construction, safety control, etc. Fourthly, after-sales service, including project completion and acceptance, project warranty and maintenance, etc. The main business of our steel structure plant building is to engage in the design, manufacture, and installation business of steel structure plant. Steel structure is a lightweight, high-strength, and innovative building structure system, which is widely used. Among them, the steel structure plant building constructed by our company is widely used in animal husbandry and farming industries such as chicken coop and pigsty. Welcome customers from all over the world to call us for cooperation and consultation. WhatsApp https://wa me/13917849689